Warning, Epic Gamers, this video contains loud noises because we're gonna be playing this game right here. One that we're playing today. You pick out a gun, then we shoot. Alright, so let's pick a gun. So you pick out a gun and set it this one. Guns. This one I have not used. This one I have not used. Let's leave this one. Picking out interesting ones. How about this one? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's use this one. We are picking out some guns, then we're shooting, and then picking out. I gotta turn it down. My grandma told me to. I turn it down. Alright. Alright. Hey, Mo Beason. Shooting this thingy right here. I'm just playing with it. Wait. No, Mo Beason. No, don't press that button. It's just the end of me. Yeah.